Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Zeeglobalvision Services. In today's video we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to earn money online through Fiverr, one of the most popular freelancing platforms. Whether you're a freelancer looking to monetize your skills or someone seeking opportunities to make money from the comfort of your home, Fiverr offers immense potential. Do check the link I have provided down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's explore how you can tap into this gold mine. Before we dive into the strategies for earning online through Fiverr, let's understand what it's all about. Fiverr is a global marketplace that connects freelancers with clients in need of various services, ranging from graphic design and writing to programming and digital marketing. The platform allows freelancers to showcase their skills, attract clients, and earn money by completing gigs. To succeed on Fiverr, it's crucial to identify your marketable skills. Ask yourself, what are you exceptionally good at? Are you a talented graphic designer, a skilled writer, or a proficient video editor? Once you determine your skills, you can create gig offerings that align with your expertise. A compelling Fiverr profile plays a vital role in attracting clients and winning gigs. It's your chance to showcase your skills and establish credibility. Make sure to create a captivating profile description, highlight your experience and qualifications, and showcase examples of your work. Don't forget to optimize your profile with relevant keywords to improve its visibility in search results. When it comes to earning through Fiverr, your gig packages play a significant role. Craft well-defined packages that offer value to clients. Clearly outline what you offer, including the scope of work, delivery time frames, and any additional services. Consider pricing your packages competitively, keeping in mind factors such as your experience, market demand, and the value you provide. Now that you have your gigs set up, it's time to promote them to attract clients. Leverage the power of social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to showcase your work and reach a wider audience. Engage with relevant communities, share your gig links, and provide insights or tips related to your niche. Building a strong online presence will increase your chances of getting noticed and securing gigs. In addition to offering services on Fiverr, do you know you can also earn through their affiliate program? As a Fiverr affiliate, you can earn a commission by referring new users to the platform. Sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program and utilize your unique affiliate links in your videos, blog posts, or social media content. The link is given in the description below. Do check that out as well. Whenever someone signs up through your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. To maximize your earnings on Fiverr, it's essential to consistently deliver high-quality work, provide excellent customer service, and maintain a stellar reputation. Positive reviews and repeat clients are key to attracting more business and increasing your income. Additionally, consider diversifying your skills, expanding your service offerings, and continuously improving your expertise to tap into different markets and opportunities. And that brings us to the end of our video on how to earn money online through Fiverr. By identifying your skills, creating compelling gigs, promoting your services, and leveraging Fiverr's affiliate program, you can unlock incredible earning potential on this platform. Remember, success on Fiverr requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous improvement. So, start exploring the possibilities, unleash your potential, and embark on a rewarding journey towards online success. So, guys, I'm giving you the link in the description below to check that link out and get signed up and start earning today. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy freelancing and take care.